Hi everyone, welcome to the semester. I'm Professor Logan Phillips and I'm very glad you're here. Now the course will open on the first day of the semester and I want you to jump in as soon as it becomes available. Your first goal is simple. Get oriented. Click around, review the Start Here materials, and make sure you understand how this course is laid out and what is expected. If you're new to Blackboard Ultra, don't panic. The layout can feel weird at first and it's normal to take a little time to get comfortable. Give yourself that time early. Don't wait until the night something is due. You do have two required first assignments to remain enrolled in the course. You must complete these by the WN date, which is the withdrawal for non-participation date. Those assignments are the syllabus quiz and the Blackboard student introduction post. These two items are non-negotiable. Get them done early and you're set for the rest of the semester. You will not be removed for an AW or anything else by me. So plan for success. Next, use the pacing schedule. Put your deadlines into your phone or your calendar now. The course moves very fast, and the students who do best are the ones who plan ahead and stay consistent. The pacing schedule is your definitive time when assignments are due. The Blackboard Ultra calendar is often wrong. It updates inconsistently. It is not where you decide on what is due and when. Make sure you go into the sticky note, find your pacing schedule, and do the assignments by the sticky note schedule. Now, if you have any questions or need help, message me through Blackboard or email me at logan.phillips1@tulsacc.edu. All right. Welcome again. Go knock out those first two assignments, and you'll have a very good, strong semester. Have a very fruitful day. Bye, guys.